Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sagittarius people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy or your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so Sagittarius people, this is your current energy. 9 of Wands. You are stuck in life somewhere, Sagittarius, and this is your partner's condition. Oh my God, 3 of Swords. So let's discuss about your current energy, Sagittarius. You are being very fearful in life. Oh God, what if I'll move from this place? What will happen? Nothing is going to happen, dear. You need to leave this want right now and just out from this energy. Okay, you have the space to escape from this negative zone, from this negativity, but your fears are so big that you are not able to see what is behind your back. You are being very fearful, very fearful. If you want to start something new in life, be it in your personal life or your professional life or in your love life, you need to be out from a particular place. Alright? On the other hand, we have 3 of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. What is it? Either your partner is heartbroken, I don't know why. Perhaps they are heartbroken just because you are being very fearful about something. Perhaps your person wants to meet your parents. Perhaps your person wants to offer you something big in love and love relationship, but you are being very fearful that, oh God, please don't do such things, this and that and blah blah blah. This could be one of the reasons that your person is feeling heartbroken, that they want to give you, they want to invest in you, but you being fearful, you are not allowing them to do some big in life or do some big in this relationship. Okay, and perhaps it could also happen for some of you that your person must be going through some third party situation. This third party situation can be related to the another affair, or this could be related with their job and career and finances. Okay, now let's see how you see them, how they see you, what actions you guys are going to take towards each other. How you see them, how they see you, what actions you are going to take towards them, what actions they are going to take towards you. The burden, you see them as somebody who is overburdened. Okay, that's what I told you, that this person wants to give you something big in this relationship, but you being very fearful, they are not able to move ahead towards you. Okay, and this thing is, overburdening them. You need to understand they have their own other priorities and own other works as well. They have a family to feed, they have other people to do, they have the responsibility of other people as well. Okay, so somewhere you have become burden for them, and that's you can, and that you can feel about him, that this person is someone who is overburdened. All right, if I talk about your person's perspective towards you, with this card, your person sees you as somebody who is blessed. Okay, who has all the best fortunes of the life with you, but you being fearful, you are stuck on the same place. Can you see this? You are stuck on the same place. And apart from that, your person knows that the moment you will come into their life, you are going to make their life beautiful. This is the only reason this person wants to be with you. Okay, all right, the current action which you are, or which you can take towards you, is nothing, because you are being very fearful. That's what I told you in the beginning, that you just need to turn around and just go out from this place. You have that escape plan with you. You just need to turn around and see, oh my God, this escape gate was just next to me, and I was like so busy in my own energies, and I was so fearful that I didn't notice that. And this is same again You are doing the same thing. You are this kid. You can see the rainbow behind this gate, but you do not have that courage to open this gate. As you can see, the lock is also open. If you cannot see, I can show you. The lock is already open, but you being very fearful. I don't know why you are being so fearful. What is making you so fearful? I don't know why, and I don't know what. You can easily escape from this place, and rest. After that, your life is going to blossom like anything. Okay, so no action from your side, and you can see the consequences. Your fear. This person is also not going to take any action, because this person feeling alone and aloof, because you being fearful, you are not allowing them to do something. You are not doing anything on your own. You are not asking your person to help you. You are doing nothing. Okay, and that thing is definitely going to isolate them from everyone, including you. Okay, now let's see, Sagittarius people, what is going to be the future of your reading. Knight of Cups. This person is keep coming towards you. He or she is not, they are not a player. You need to give them a chance, basically. And they'll keep coming towards you. They'll keep knocking at your door. They'll keep motivating you. They'll keep encouraging you that please, please, please let me into your life, or do something to remove your fear. Okay, so Sagittarius people, we have another fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading, and some of you could be dealing with the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.